How to replace a toner cartridge in the HP Color Laser 150 MFP 170 printer series. Replace the toner cartridges when a toner low message or solid toner light displays on the printer control panel. Open the toner cartridge access door. On the cartridge to replace, remove it from the printer using the two tabs. To prevent toner transfer, avoid touching the drum on the cartridge. Set the cartridge aside for recycling. For more information about recycling your used HP cartridges, visit hp.com/recycle. Remove the replacement cartridge from its package. Hold the cartridge by the sides and shake it side to side to evenly distribute the toner. Remove the tape and plastic, and then lift and remove the protective cover from the cartridge, and then slide it into its slot until it clicks into place. If necessary, replace other toner cartridges that are low or out of toner. Close the cartridge access door to continue printing.